In today's episode of Luxo-Life titled Wealth Creation Made Easy, master these and you're golden, literally. You'll learn that building wealth isn't just about money, it's about following a smart, step-by-step process. You'll see how taking your time to develop the right skills and practicing patience can lead to real financial success. Instead of chasing quick riches, this video shows you how steady effort and clear actions can help you achieve financial freedom. By sticking with the video until the end, you'll gain simple, practical strategies to improve your money mindset and create lasting wealth. Whether you're just starting out or already on your journey, you'll find clear steps and real examples that you can put into practice right away. Show Luxo-Life some support and let's get started. Skill accumulation, lessons from Sam Zell. Sam Zell is a great example of how building wealth is really about skill accumulation rather than chasing the latest trends. His journey in real estate shows that focusing on real-world experience and steady learning can lead to impressive financial success. By watching his story, you'll see how practical steps and careful planning set the foundation for lasting prosperity. Sam Zell's approach teaches us that every experience matters. Instead of trying to keep up with every new trend, he concentrated on learning continuously and taking calculated risks. This mindset helped him build a solid reputation in real estate and is a key part of his wealth-building strategies. His story reminds us that it's not about shortcuts, but about putting in the work to gain valuable skills. His success in real estate is proof that strategic risk-taking and a commitment to growth are the real drivers behind financial achievements. Sam Zell didn't just rely on luck, he embraced the process of accumulating knowledge and experience. This clear focus on real-world application over fleeting trends is a lesson that can inspire anyone looking to achieve similar success. Essential selling techniques. Let's now talk about the 3 essential selling techniques that you can use to build wealth. The first one is effective listening, which means paying close attention to your client or market's needs. By truly hearing what they say, you can tailor your approach to match their expectations. This kind of effective communication not only builds trust, but also sets the stage for more successful interactions and outcomes. Next is outcome focus. It is all about shifting the conversation from the product itself to the benefits it delivers. When you emphasize results, you help your clients see the real value behind what you offer. This approach makes every discussion more meaningful, ensuring that your clients feel confident about the benefits they receive. Learning from rejection is a vital part of refining your sales strategy. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as chances to improve and adjust your approach. Embracing this mindset turns every challenge into a learning opportunity, helping you develop stronger negotiation tactics and overall sales skills. Consistency and embracing the routine. When it comes to wealth creation, consistency plays a crucial role. Building wealth isn't just about big moves, it's about showing up every day and sticking to a routine. By focusing on consistency, you create a strong foundation that supports long-term financial success. Embracing the so-called boring aspects of wealth creation is actually a powerful strategy. It might not sound exciting, but developing daily routines and practicing habit building are essential parts of financial discipline. When you commit to the routine, you gradually transform simple actions into lasting habits that lead to real progress. One way to make the most of your everyday tasks is to view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of getting bored by routine work, try to find new ways to challenge yourself and improve your skills. This mindset not only boosts your financial discipline, but also helps turn mundane activities into stepping stones for success. Understanding market cycles and financial literacy. Now, let's understand the market cycles and financial literacy. Recognizing market cycles means you can spot the changes in the economy before they happen. By paying attention to these cycles, you gain the insight needed to make smart, informed decisions. This understanding sets the stage for better investment strategies and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Reading financial statements is a key part of boosting your financial literacy. When you learn to read these documents, you get a clear picture of how businesses operate and perform. This skill not only makes you more confident in your decisions, but also strengthens your ability to evaluate investment opportunities. Moving beyond a strict budgeting mindset is another important step. Instead of just tracking expenses, shifting your focus to increasing your earning potential opens up new avenues for wealth creation. This approach encourages you to look for ways to grow your income, making your money work harder for you. By combining an understanding of market cycles with improved financial literacy and a proactive approach to earning, you create a solid foundation for long-term success. Cultivating patience, emotional discipline, and financial engineering. Now, let's discuss how patience and emotional discipline are key to building lasting wealth. These qualities help you steer clear of impulsive decisions that can easily derail your progress. When you learn to keep your cool and stay focused, you create a solid foundation for smart investing over the long run. Patience in investing means taking the time to study opportunities and waiting for the right moment to act. Emotional discipline plays its part by helping you manage the ups and downs of the market without making hasty moves. Together, these skills ensure that you remain steady even when the financial landscape gets a bit rocky. Now, consider financial engineering, a practical approach to managing your money more efficiently. This method involves automating and systematizing your financial processes so your investments work for you without constant manual oversight. It's all about setting up smart systems that support your long-term financial goals. By combining patience in investing, emotional discipline, and the benefits of financial engineering, you create a robust strategy for achieving financial success. Advanced strategies. Strategic paranoia and playing the fool. Let's now talk about advanced strategies like strategic paranoia and playing the fool on purpose, two tactics that can really sharpen your risk management skills. Strategic paranoia is all about being prepared. It means looking ahead, spotting potential pitfalls before they become problems, and setting up safety nets so you're never caught off guard. This approach helps you build a solid foundation in tactical wealth strategies. When you practice strategic paranoia, you're not letting fear rule your decisions. Instead, you're staying alert and ready to tackle challenges head-on. This mindset is key to advanced negotiation and smart investing because it keeps you one step ahead of unexpected risks. By forecasting potential issues, you can plan effectively and protect your financial progress. Playing the fool on purpose is a clever tactic that complements strategic paranoia. This method involves adopting a friendly, unassuming stance during negotiations. By appearing non-threatening, you encourage others to open up and share valuable insights, giving you an edge in understanding their moves. This approach not only improves your advanced negotiation skills, but also turns challenging interactions into opportunities for growth. Sharing knowledge, teaching to reinforce mastery. Before we end, let's talk about how teaching others about money can really boost your own financial education. Sharing what you know about money management not only strengthens your understanding, but also helps keep you accountable. When you explain money management tips and wealth building advice to others, you naturally reinforce your own skills. Teaching is a powerful tool that deepens your grasp of financial concepts. By breaking down what you've learned, you see the details more clearly and spot any areas you might need to improve. This process makes financial education more solid and helps you fine-tune your money management techniques. Knowledge sharing also benefits the community around you. When you pass on your wealth-building advice, you create a ripple effect of learning and growth. By sharing financial wisdom, you help others make better decisions, and together you build a stronger network of support. And that's a wrap. We hope you picked up some valuable insights about wealth creation and smart investing. If you enjoyed the tips, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share this video with friends who might benefit too. For anyone new to Luxo-Life, consider subscribing and tapping the bell icon so you'll always be updated with our latest wealth building advice. Your support means a lot and helps us bring more helpful content your way. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, Luxo lovers.